Morning everybody, sad times. It's just coming up for 9 o'clock. Didn't have a good night's sleep actually, all a bit tired. But it's beautiful outside. Luke's watching the game. Daisy is a bit of an expert packer, so we're getting all of our gear ready. As I say, it's just coming up for 9 o'clock. So we're going to get the villa all squared away and head down to the pool and have the morning there. The Tragical Express is picking us up at 1:30, so we're going to have a nice bit of a morning at the pool. And the great thing about this resort, I'm not sure if they have it at other resorts, is they have shower facilities by the pool. So we're going to take our flight gear and have a scrub down there before we get on the plane. So we'll be getting on the bus all nice and fresh. So see you by the pool. Okay, so we're by the pool. It's 10 to 11. The apartment was all packed up nice and easy, wasn't it?
Yeah, really easily. Bell services were amazing.
Yeah, bell services were great, yeah.
They said 5 minutes, it was less, it was about 3 I think, 2 or 3.
Yeah, so rather than struggle with all of your bags, yeah, they said like a stretch golf cart out, chap pops all the stuff in the back for you. When you arrive at the luggage store, he just gives you a ticket and he does the rest. We tipped him $10, which I think was pretty reasonable for, you know, we didn't have to tip him anything. Yeah, and it's all stored to get a ticket. So we're by the pool, we've got a couple of hours here. So our bus leaves at 1:30, so we've got just over 2.5 hours, which is great. So the kids are already in the pool, I'm just about to get in. Tracy can do a bit of reading.
Yeah, got my Kindle.
Yep, we're going to learn some lines. It's Labour Day weekend, so they were actually magic banding people in to make sure that
looks good on me.
so they make sure other people from other resorts can't come and use the pool because maybe they're expecting a busy weekend. So that's it. We're going to chill by the pool for a bit, and we'll see you on the bus of misery.
Don't want to talk about it.
Daisy just said this is worse than what?
When I had tonsillitis. Even though I did have tonsillitis in Disney World on my birthday.
Oh, that was sad.
That was so sad.
This is it.
So sad.
The Tragical Express.
There's puppies on the top.
So all the luggage loaded on. Nice couple of bits in the gift shop. Heading to Orlando Airport.
We're going to pick up the cats tomorrow.
Yeah, we are getting the cats tomorrow. However, the silver lining is
Coming back.
we're coming back.
We have to leave to come back.
We're going to book when we get back, and we have got some fancy business class again, which is super nice. So we will see you at the airport. So we're heading to the club. So far so good. It's pretty well signposted.
Quiet like a dove.
So we're just leaving the club lounge. Gonna board. We're gonna take the stairs because we're all about that stair life.
I'm not.
What do you think?
The BA lounge in London Gatwick.
Yeah, but that, I thought that was really good.
Quite relaxing.
Yeah, and there were showers in there as well, which was cool. So we're gonna head to gate 80. Get on the plane.
Attention all guests traveling on Virgin Atlantic Flight 28 to London Gatwick. At this time, we're currently boarding all guests in all please.
Yeah, oh look, new restaurant. It does look fancy. Excited?
Excited.
Excited? No.
Sleep on a plane. Oh, sorry. Breakfast bag.
Balancing on a weary line, too scared to trust you and jump down. I'll keep my status quo up here, won't let anybody come near. I'll fix it on my own. 29 years I've been the same, trying so hard to run from shame. Can I keep up the pace? To fool myself, I don't need grace. Will you be there to catch my fall? Need to be sure you'll hear my call. Darkness around me and I don't know why it's so hard to let go. Why it's so hard to let go. Down the line, you'll ask why I wasted my time, and I'll say I didn't know better, but the truth is I was weak and scattered, afraid of the blame.